If you, like me, need to teach all the time things to your team, to your colleagues, someone else, or if you have to create some manuals, tutorial for your product or service, this tool gonna blow your mind. Come on with me, I'm gonna show you.
It's very good because it's just save you a ton of time. So let me show you in an example. First of all, I installed the plugin. So you can just go here, enter to your email, go here, and that's gonna appear the plugin. I have a lot of plugin. You can notice that I really love to search for so many tools. So you go to Tango, gonna appear this, and then you just capture workflow. When you capture workflow, gonna just record each step you take in your computer. So I want to show you how to create some templates in your email. So every time that you create a new email, you can just use the same text and just change few information. You go here, select all setting, then you go to advanced, and then you enable this. Say the change, and then let's say I want to create a message that I'm gonna be sending to everyone. Hello, welcome to the jungle. Wow. So then you open the email and you're gonna click here with more options, and then you have templates, and you can save this as a template. You save this as a template. And look at this. This is automatically creating a workflow that explains each step you have to take and show you how to do it. It is very good. You can just share this or download as a PDF. If you have a pro version, you can customize. And actually, it's not really so expensive. It's just 12 months or $17 per month. Let's see the file. All the information goes here, and even you can copy this and convert in a Google Doc, which is very good.